Okay, now that the tenderloin is out of the oven, we want to let that rest for a second because I want to cut off the trussing. And what I used, I had a thermometer to make sure that the internal temperature was right about 153, 155 degrees. Because we're going to put this back in for like another 10 minutes because we're going to put the glaze on it, okay? So first of all, if I can find my trusty bowl, I can use my knife. I have my slicer. All I gotta do is just kind of slice in between right here. It'll come straight off, not a problem. I had scissors, but I can't find it. So I'm not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna make sure we do all these nice slices right here. That way we don't mess up the shape of the loin. You can see that it's now partially brown, which is a good thing. Okay, that's what we're looking for, okay? Because again, we're going to put the glaze right on top. Won't be a problem. I'm going to put this on the side for a second. Throw my gloves on because I want to pull this off. All right. But it's nice and juicy. It's not dried out. And that's the biggest thing that you want to see. Okay. So let me just put these on real quick. And we will just start tugging. All right. So now, there we go. Just take it right off. See, it goes a lot quicker once we do a couple of cuts. Take that off. Okay. Take my knife, slice there, take it off. All right, because we're going to put this right back in. Slice right here. Okay, and one more slice. Take. Now all this string comes off. All right. Now again, it's roughly about 45 to 50 minutes because remember it takes about 1 hour and 10, so we need that extra time to glaze it and heat it up again. All right. So now that we have the total loin that's off, we'll move that to the side. There you go. And we already have our sauce ready. All right. Let's go ahead and put it in the pan. Well, you know what? Since you can't see it in the pan, I'm going to glaze it right now and then put it in the pan. How about that? Okay, so on the board, we're just going to put the glaze on. And what's going to happen is the sugars right in the glaze is going to help caramelize and give it a nice rich color. It looks good just the way it is right now. Okay, so let's roll it over. That way all sides are done. All right. Here you go. Again, be very generous with the glaze because you want this to look really good. Okay, put this on. Now what we're going to do is move that. Is put this on our rack. Okay, right here. And because it was on the bottom, because this is our presentation side, let's just put a little bit more right here on top. Okay, so now I'm going to pop this in the oven, 400 degrees, and then we'll be back in about 10 minutes.